Welcome to TCL and DS. In this video, you will find console cluster and register combination. I written article also. You can find my article on www.dockerscript.in. Please like and share my video and article. It will encourage me to create article and video more actively. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. What is console? Console is a way to do service discovery. It gives us key value pair combination feature. It is written by HashiCorp and written in Golang. Console include multiple services like service discovery, health check of services and node, key value pair combination, and so on. You can find more document in console official website www.console.io. What is register? Register will listen every Docker event like create container, stop container, delete container, and according to event, it will register and deregister service to the database. Registered database can be console, etcd, and SkyDNS2. More document you can find in registered official GitHub account. Let us write down what we are trying to do. We will create console cluster in 3 of our VMs. One will be bootstrap, another one will be server, and last one will be agent, which will connect to the server. Every VM will have register, which will listen Docker event and register and deregister service into the console. After making console cluster, we will create one WordPress service and one MySQL service for the testing. Both service will be in different nodes.
Let's start with practical. So this is a console bootstrap node. IP is 1.6. Now let's start creating the console's bootstrap node. So I'm taking the full command from the our PPT, and this is the command. So it will like docker run, then name of the container, and it will detach the container, and we are opening the ports, that much ports, and this is the advertised IP, which will be the localhost IP, and this is the argument. It will be server, but it's a bootstrap. Expect only one server more, and this is the name of the node, and this is for the our register. So it will ignore all the services which is open ports. So let's start it. So we can check this one, that console is created. Now let's create the register node, and this no in this system. So I'm taking the same register node from the our PPT, and I'm just changing the IP. So this will be the localhost IP. So I'm giving the IP of our bootstrap node. It will be 6. And now let's change this IP also. 92.168.1.6, and it's created. So we can see that two node is created. We can check the logs also. So it's ignoring all the console server. First one was bootstrap, and here is it will be console server. So we can check that command. Same command is same command whatever we ran into the bootstrap. It just to change the server node and the node name, and it will join to the 1.6 because that one is our first server. Advertise IP is 7, same. Now let's just put the enter. So console server is created. We can check that our API, so that we can see that two nodes came into the picture. This two node came into the picture. One is 6 and one is 7. We can see that this is the bootstrap and this is the server. Okay, let's create the register here with the same command. Just we just need to change the IP of that system console service. So it just IP is the same. localhost IP, server node IP, I mean, and just to put the enter. So now we can see that this uh, two containers came into the picture. Console cluster on agent node, and let's copy our command from our post. I already written that post also. You can check the post, and here is the command. It will say same command. It just change the advertise IP and node argument, and it will join to 1.6, which is our bootstrap node. Let's create it. We can check, and now let's verify that node list. So it should be now 3 nodes should be coming to the picture. You can see the 3 nodes. Now let's create our register, which will register our service to the console. 92.168 will be localhost IP, that we can see that as ent IP. So that IP can be changed for you guys if you are doing some if you're doing this practical in your home. So it can be anything IP, whatever you are using. But in my case, this is the IP I'm using here. So it's created it MySQL server into the server node. So I'm taking that command from our post, MySQL command, which will create the MySQL container. So this is the command. You can see that the same command, it just opening the port. It will be the data directory, and same it will give the root password of the MySQL server, and we are registering that MySQL service to the console with this environment property. So this environment property will read by the register, which is listening the Docker event. So when container will create, it will check that environment property, and it will register a service name MySQL to the console. This is the database name. By default database name is the image name, and it will some character set that I'm checking here. So before that, I'm just checking that if we have already some folder or not. So we already have the folder. I'm just removing the if it already there. So it's created. Check the logs. So it's created. It is just creating other database and all that things that created. So now we will create the WordPress container. For WordPress container, I created one script which will take the IP from the console, and that variable I will give this with the Docker run command. So this one, and it will take from here. We will just run this command, and WordPress will be created. So let's check the WordPress name WordPress. So we can see that WordPress is created. So now we can check this IP is 1.8. Now we will check that from the browser it is working or not. WordPress is installed or not. So this is the our node where we already opened that. Okay, so WordPress installed. So now we just initial level, we will just give that name, the Greek Linux. So initial level setup for WordPress. So it won't ask us for database, because we already given database name into our command. So it will take directly from that. This is the search engine. Now it's installed. Now we can log into that. Okay. Okay, it's installed. We can check that our This is our WordPress.
You can find console and registrator command in my article. I will share this URL in my into the comment box. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.